This is my last video I'm going to bust out tonight. One more beer for the road. Whatever I feel like later. I wanted to also say something that sometimes I feel like rifles and wads and lifeguard sort of look out for me. Even pyro. They kind of want the best for me, but they still poke fun at me and they still ridicule me and insult me and even hate me to a degree or dislike me. I'm not here to make friends. Newsflash, I ain't here to make friends. But that weird beard dude, man, he's kind of creepy, man. I don't know about that dude. That dude he truly does hate me, and I don't know. Hate's a big word. That dude, man, he kind of worries me a little bit. But the other trolls kind of don't worry me. But I'll be real with you. That kind of weird man, weird beard man, he kind of creeps me out. That dude kind of rattles my nerves a little. Stresses me out. Gives me a little anxiety. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. That dude put some gray hair on me. Shit, he's a piece of work. That guy, man, acts all thuggish, like he's hard and been in jail, blah blah blah. Like he's a gangbanger and fucking thug. Acts all thuggish, like he's like he could beat any dude in the alley. But I ain't scared of him, man. Shit, I ain't scared of Jack. I ain't scared of nothing. Well, I take that back. I am scared of some stuff, like electricity, getting shocked. I'm scared of fire. I'm scared of heights. Man, this shit's good. This is a barbecue, honey zesty barbecue. Man, this shit's popping. There's Pabst Blue Ribbon. That's all right. Blow my damn nose. Some people thought I was autistic. Some people thought I had learning disabilities. I don't make much money. I put it this way. I'll tell you what. I don't make enough money to support myself. I don't make enough money to live on my own or have an apartment. I'd be living under a bridge if it wasn't for my family supporting me. Real talk. I'd be flat out homeless. I ain't got no money saved. I don't make shit. I'll be blunt. I've been pushing brooms my whole life. Pushing brooms my whole life. I ain't sitting here saying, man, oh man, it's fun. It's lollygags and smiles and Hallmark cards. It ain't all about that. Far from it. It ain't no walk through a Sunday park. It ain't no Woohoo, ha ha, hee hoo, hee hoo hoo. It ain't no, well, let's have a blast. It ain't it's far from fun. My life is far from fun. People say I don't pay bills. People say I have it easy. Bullshit. Bull fucking shit. Let's just break it down. I make less than $400 every damn week. Let's just say I ain't gonna tell you how much I make, like in the 300s every week. Let's just hypothetically, anonymously, just throw it out there. Say around about like 310. Let's assume. In other words, let's assume I make $300 a week. Let's keep it easy, simple. $300 a week. I got medical bills, $25, $50 a month. Cell phone's $50 a month. That's $100. I got my car insurance. That's $80 a month. Damn near 80. That's damn near $200. Yeah, let's say $200 in bills. That doesn't include gas. That doesn't include food. That doesn't include shampoo, toothpaste, my medicine I need to take, my beer, the water I buy for my mom, the food I buy, haircut. That doesn't include the stuff I do on the side. Just because I don't pay rent or utilities doesn't mean I have it easy. I still buy stuff for my mom. I help her. I mean, I got over $10,000 in college debt. You think my life is fun? No, I don't have no girl to come home to. I don't have no girlfriend to kiss, or I don't have no girlfriend to just lay down with and have hanky-panky fun with. I don't have that. I don't have that fun. I don't get that. I never have the luxury to kiss a girl or cuddle with a girl. I don't have that in my life. And you think my life is all good? Hell no. Got diabetes type 2. I take damn near 6 pills every day. Shit. Who are you kidding? Who are you fooling? People think I have it easy, and people think I have it easy. Shit. I do got it easy because I don't pay rent. I mean, it's about the only thing I'm lucky about. I don't pay rent. I don't pay electric, gas, internet, cable. I don't have no car note. I mean, I'm thankful in some ways, but I don't got it nice. I ain't gonna put no show on for you, and I ain't gonna make a monkey out of myself and dance and make a jive turkey out of myself. I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you guys. Because if you guys want to keep watching what I do, the more you know about me, the more you like me and respect me. But I'm not asking for 100% respect. I'm just asking for just a teeny bit of respect. Because I'm low maintenance. I mean, I'm submissive by nature. Low confidence, low self-esteem. I ain't got no swag or game. I ain't no what do they call that? Um, I don't wear no wife beaters. I ain't no, I ain't never been to jail, and I'm not, one of those, girls tend to like a certain kind of guy, and I ain't that guy. I'm a different sort of breed, a different animal. I'm weird, I'm eccentric, I'm unique, I'm different, I'm very different, I'm odd. I'm not your typical dude. If you can handle that, you might like me. I'm extremely different. If you can handle that, dysfunctional, but if you can handle that, and I'm open-minded, I'm far out. Sometimes I say too much. Cheers, but I'm not a horrible person. I ain't that bad of a guy. We all got skeletons in our closet. Later.